Hey guys, David, Cherokee Auto Group, want to do a cold start and also a walk around and show you everything working on the Jeep. Here's our little trusty Milwaukee temperature gauge. Pull up here, around the block there, 76 degrees right there. That's the, let me show you the side of the block here. 76 degrees there also. Across the head there. 77 up there, warmer up there. So it has not been started today. So we'll go ahead and reach right in here. This is a very special vehicle. The original owner, Tom DuPont of the DuPont Registry, he bought this vehicle brand new. We got to talk with him. He told me a lot of insight about it. It had under 1,000 miles when he sent it to the place in Tennessee and had them convert it to the four-door, which Jeep didn't end up doing until 7 years later. This was kind of a precursor to that, and it looks great. It's a great job. See all your lights and stuff work, and AC works. I'm gonna run the gauge inside. I'll pull around a little. This thing, the fit and finish look great. It may have had paintwork and stuff here and there, but man, it looks good if it has. Maybe across the hood. Obviously when they converted it. But if you look at all the fit and finish and how nice all this looks through here, it looks really, really good. These were all custom built. I guess they had to have this made too for it. All the cladding and stuff look good. Tires are new, and they are an upgrade size for 265/70s, which I may have come with a 245 or 235. I'm not 100% sure, but they are bigger than factory tires. It's all good through here. Running nice. It's got the nice the Nantucket Jeep cover, because that's where he kept it at his home up in Nantucket, and also down in Florida too. I think in Clearwater. So, but took really good care of it. Really, it's amazing how well this thing has survived through the years. Looking around it, fit and finish very nice everywhere, and really no rust other than like surface rust on things here. One little right there, a little bit right there. Windshield's nice. I'm gonna go ahead and run the temp gauge on your air conditioning. Everything's working nice. Get over here where I can. There you go, Dylan. Keep it still, see it going down. Trying to keep it still in one place. You can see, yeah, it's blowing down the 40s. All your gauges look great. You can go on their side if you want to, son. What's really cool, it's got dual sound bars. You got the sound bar there, which it would have come with originally, and another one in the back. These are all custom made. Close nice. Well, there you go, guys. If you have any questions on this, you can send us a email through the listing, contact the seller, or comment it. Just make sure you tag us. The new owner ought to be really, really happy with this collectible quality, very special vehicle on top of the pedigree that it has with Mr. DuPont attached to it. So there you go. Hope you enjoy it. David, Cherokee Auto Group, will do a run and drive of the Jeep 4-door. So everything comes on, your check engine light, airbag light, all that comes on like it should. And it goes right back off like it's supposed to. All your gauges up, good oil pressure. Got fuel in it. Look at that, man, almost full tank of fuel in this thing. All this works, flipping over. So it's got 24,973. We've put 11 or 12 miles on it. This turns your, this is for those fog lamps, those are factory. It is non-smoker. Factory radio's working. CD player. Four-wheel drive selector and stuff's here. Take it. If you look up there, feel it locked in there. So you can go back into neutral here, and then you want to back up a few feet, make sure everything gets unlocked. Your seatbelt's on here. Take her for a ride. Does have cruise. Tells you that's telling you got your main cruise on there, and I'll get a straightaway and I'll set it. Ride's really nice, not shaky, or really ride's pretty smooth. And that's my foot off the pedal. Show them they're going. Cruise is working. AC cold. That's 50 just cruising, no care in the world. Touch the brake there. Go down here in this little cul-de-sac. Get it wet. Sprinkler. Pop out and we'll pop the hood real quick, Dylan. There you go, running just like as you would expect. Pop this down. Of course, it should be 24,000 miles, but you never know. You never know. There you go, guys. Mid strong. Try to own this thing. It's a remarkable vehicle, and a new owner ought to really, really, really